here are the top 6 businesses that will make you money immediately. Number 1, a laundromat. Laundromats, everyone needs clothes. I'm sure you do, and so do I, so let's get active. Number 2, self-storage. Nothing else can be said. We all know when you put money in a self-storage unit, the likelihood of you actually canceling next month is null and void. So guess what? The money's going to keep on rolling. Get into that business immediately. Number 3 is vending machine companies. We all know these kids love candy, and there's nothing else you can say about it. It makes money. It makes bank. Get into it. Number 4, my ultimate favorite, real estate. That's right. Rent, rehab, repeat. Real estate ain't going nowhere, guys, so you better get into it immediately. The next one, number 5, is last mile success packaging. Think of it as the connection between like Amazon and UPS. You're basically the man in the middle that gets the package from one end to the other as soon as UPS or whatever company drops it off. You can be making that bank. And number 6, the one that nobody thinks of, is a senior care facility. Unfortunately, guys, everyone is getting old, and we all know our parents or grandparents need somewhere to stay. So senior care facilities is exactly why it's number 6 on my list, because everybody needs care, you know? Anyways, get active, get out there, get that money. Until next time.